In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Google Pay easy, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll be able to use Klarna's flexible payments right from Google Pay at checkout, either directly on supported sites or with the help of the Klarna Chrome extension. First, head to Klarna, either in the app or on the website, and make sure you're signed in and your account is active. If you're new to Klarna, complete your profile and add a funding method so your plan can be set up when you pay. It also helps to confirm that your Google Pay wallet is ready with your preferred card and your billing and shipping details are up to date. Now go to any merchant that supports Google Pay at checkout, add your items to the cart, and proceed to pay. When you see the Google Pay button, click it. In the Google Pay window, look for the payment options drop down. From there, select Klarna as the payment provider. If it's available for that merchant and your region, you'll see Klarna appear as an option. Choose it, then continue. At this point, your browser and Google Pay will work together to fill in your saved details. Klarna will run a quick check and set up your payment plan, often pay in full or another available option based on your eligibility. Review the plan summary, confirm the purchase, and you're done. The order is placed through Google Pay, and the installments are managed by Klarna. If you don't see Klarna in Google Pay on a particular site, it may not be supported there. Try a different store or use the extension method next. If you prefer a broader fallback, install the Klarna browser extension in Google Chrome. Once it's added, pin the extension to your toolbar so it's easy to access whenever you shop. Click the icon and log into your Klarna account. When you check out on a website, the extension will prompt you to pay with Klarna and can generate a one-time virtual card. Use that card at checkout, and where supported, you can link it through Google Pay so the payment flows just like a standard card. A few tips as you go. Keep your Google account signed in across Chrome and Google Pay for smooth autofill. Make sure your billing address matches between Klarna and Google Pay, and note that merchant and region support can vary. If anything looks off, refresh the page or try an incognito window. That's it, quick and straightforward. You're ready to use Klarna with Google Pay for flexible, seamless checkout.